Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we made a custom hook, and with the help of that custom hook, we fetched movie detail from TMDB API. So let me show you. If I click on this Kung Fu Panda 4 movie, it is showing me the details of this Kung Fu Panda movie, such as the runtime of this movie is 94 minutes. This is the revenue of this movie, and this is the release date. This is the genres of this movie, uh, a description of this movie, a lot of things, and we are also getting this poster over here. So basically this component, I gave you an assignment to complete this component, and I hope you have done your assignment and you've completed this movie detail component. And you can also add a lot of things in this movie component, this movie detail component. Okay, and you can make this component even more pretty. So that is up to you, that is an assignment for you. So in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to deploy this project on Vercel. So first of all, you have to create a repository on GitHub. So I created this repository, React Prime. In this repository, we have all the code that we have written in our previous videos. For example, if you see, initially I started with making the navigation bar and search bar. Then we styled the navigation bar using Tailwind. Then we made our app modular and so on. So this is the code of our application. And now let's deploy this application on Vercel. So let me open this Vercel website. And first of all, you have to log into this website. So if you see, I have lots of project deployed here. So let's deploy one more. So to deploy a new project, first click on this button, add new, then this project, and then we have to select the repository that contains our code. So this repository React Prime contains our code, so we have to import this. So we imported this, and now first we have to select this framework. So we are selecting Vite because we initialized the React application using Vite. If you have any environmental variables, you put all your environmental variables here. In this project, we never used any environmental variable. I'll show you what an environmental variable is and how we use it in our application later. But for now, we don't have any environmental variable. Click on this deploy button and that's it. This is it. This will deploy our project on Vercel for free. So if you see, deploying a project is really simple. Just how many steps were there? Like very few. Okay, so I think our project is deployed. So let's add a domain. Okay, not adding a domain. Let's continue to dashboard and let's see how our project looks. So you have to go to this react prime.vercel app, and this is our application. Okay, so see, deploying a React project is so simple, but I don't know why so many people don't deploy their project. And I want you to deploy each and every project that you make. And let me summarize how to deploy a React project. So let me summarize what we did. First, we made a repository that contains all the code of our React application. Then we went over to this website, this Vercel website, and then we clicked on this. Let me show you, on this add new button, and then selected project, and we have to import our project and then we have to deploy it. So in this video, we learned how we can deploy a React project. If you want to deploy a Next.js project, it is similar. So deploying a Next.js project is exactly like deploying a React project. Okay. So with this video, we are ending the first phase of our React course. In this phase, we learned how we can build a project from scratch and deploy it. In the next phase, we are going to learn how we can manage state. If I show you this project that we made, whenever I'm on this page, I'm fetching the movies. When I click on this, I'm fetching the data. When I go back, I'm refetching all the movies. And when I go to the detail of the same movie, I'm fetching the data again. I'm coming back, I'm fetching the data. I'm going to this detail page, I'm fetching the data. So this is a bad thing. We are refetching the data again and again, and this makes our application not so performant. So in the next phase, we are going to learn how we can manage state using state management libraries. For example, we can use Redux Toolkit or we can use Recoil. But in this course, we are going to use Redux Toolkit. So get ready for the next phase where we are going to learn how we can manage state using Redux Toolkit and why these libraries are used. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope all of you will deploy your project till this point and tag me on LinkedIn after deploying this project, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.